Solgen, sir. Sinong Solgen mo?
Sorry?
Solicitor General.
Sa?
Solgen. OSG.
Which one?
Solicitor General, sir.
Social welfare. Ha? Ah, Solgen. Oh, okay. Hindi ko naintindihan. Okay. At titignan po natin kapag medyo bumaba na yung tubig kung ano ang kailangan gawin sa ating mga manalon. Dahil meron ting damage. Mabuti rin nakapag-harvest na tayo dito. Sa amin nakapag-harvest na kami. Kakatanim lang eh. So, hindi, buti na lang yung timing, hindi yung bago aanin, nakapag-anin na tayo.
May we know kung ano po yung most important marching order ninyo to all the cabinet secretaries following the first cabinet meeting earlier?
Oh, you cannot. I don't think we can say one. I think essentially is we got into much more detail, so there are no generalizations anymore. So each department has very different got very different instructions. The only thing that we have to that it looks like is how that we have to realize how interconnected all the government is. That everything that's done on one hand affects the government in another place. So there isn't one single one. I suppose if there's one single one, is let's get our bureaucracy streamlined. I gave them. I said I will not. I give you a relatively free hand in deciding who you want to hire and how you want to change the structure of your department, if indeed that's what you want to do. So as usual, I guess if I'm going to single out one instruction, that quickly, let's get this done quickly.
There are also concerns about wiretapping allegedly being done by Chinese officials and even the Chinese embassy. What is your directive on this issue, sir?
Directive? It's just we are looking into it because really the fact of the matter is there have been mentions of a tape. So until they release it, there's it becomes harder and harder to believe and to accept that there was an agreement.
Pampanga Provincial Governor, Dennis Padilla, Social Journal.
Bobo ka! Tanggap ko yun. Pero kailan ka pa nag-drugs? Ibang trip to! Bad trip!